We bounced back today from last week's loss, blowing up an account, blowing up half of the other account. Feels good, actually. Go green. Traded the strategy. Held conviction. Could have held a couple trades for longer, but maybe trailed the stop. Did well today. Made 1,300 total. Lost 200 in one account. So up 1,100, around 1,100 total today on 3 accounts. Didn't get to trade any of the Apex 300K accounts. There's just no setup to trade those. So just traded the 150K take profit accounts. Feeling good. Introspected, came back and traded without fear, without uncertainty. Held my conviction. Traded well. The first trade, I traded 2 trades on this first account. Took the first trade around 1150. Bought in around 20,760. Sold one at 20,790. And sold the other around 20,800. Believe I profited around 300, 200, 300 from that trade. Profiting around 30 to 40 points. Very good trade. Trading 2 contracts on the NQ minis. The next trade, I averaged in 2 contracts again. And then selling, I bought at 20,780. My average was a little below that. Selling one at the pop around 20,790. Selling the other one at the 21 EMA retest, or close to it. Selling a little before at 810. So made around 25 points. For another 200, 300. Profit in a total of 687 in that account. For the next take profit account, I traded at around 1038. Buying with 2 contracts again, I believe. Yeah, 2 contracts. And buying at 20,710, selling for a 30-point gain at 20,740, profiting 568 on that account. It's good trade execution, bought and then sold at this break. But like I said before, I could have held for longer and just trailed one of these contracts, selling one here and then trailing the other to this 21 EMA pump. I just sold a little too soon. Still profitable, but something to learn and consider next time. Just leaving one contract and trailing it up. Because I could have trailed it up for around another 60 points. That would have doubled. Be up around 1,000 instead of 500, but can't be too greedy also. So the final account, actually, yeah, the final account traded at 1112, 1113, somewhere in there. Bought during consolidation. This is in the consolidation zone right here. You can see the NQ made a consolidation zone. Bought around 20,770. Believe only one contract, and then sold at around 20,800 for around 25-30 point gain. As you can see, like, there's a pattern of 20 to 30 points and then locking it in. I need to get in the habit of only selling one contract there and then leaving one and trailing it up. In this trade, it wouldn't have worked. I would have been stopped out, but the other trade, it would have worked and then made up for both. All in all, bounce back from last week's account loss. Up 1100. Feel good. Introspected. Came back. No fear, no uncertainty. Profited. Feels good. Hopefully I can maintain this throughout the week and just keep it going. I'll be back tomorrow at 9:30 for tomorrow's open. I'll be live streaming it like I do every day at market open. If you enjoyed the video, if you want to see my journey, like, subscribe, comment, follow the channel. I'll be live every day. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.